Viraj, what's your pound call until the end of the year? And can the BOE actually do anything in the wake of Brexit?
So we've got, going into it, a sort of one-off relief rally to 135, 136. It was on the assumption that we get some sort of clarity, a deal getting passed, but that's really a day-by-day assessment at this stage. And look, I think there's going to be a slow burner towards, what we think is close to fair value or the longer-run pool, which is 140. This whole Brexit deal dividend, even if we get it through, a lot needs to happen. I think investors really need to see the hard data in the UK really picking up, including the PMI. Look, today's jobs figures are signs of a healthy, economy. But the Bank of England, the term structure of interest rates still 50 basis points too low. But it's not just Brexit; it's the global economy as well here,
yeah.
And that's the thing that probably shaves one or two rate hikes independent of what happens with Brexit. So, 135 seems a bit fair for now.
Edmund Shing, if we do have a long extension, what does that mean for possible trade deals? So we hear that, of course, President Xi will probably sign something with Italy later this week. He's doing the round of some European capitals. Can the UK position itself and get a good deal from China on trade?
I think it's difficult because if you have a long extension, clearly you remain within the European Union's rules for a while longer, which means any trade deals you try to negotiate won't take place for quite a long time. And there's still a lot of uncertainty over the flexibility that the UK will have, even in the event that they do exit, they actually find a Brexit deal, because we don't know the terms of that deal. We don't know the flexibility that the UK will have. For instance, if they remain within the customs union, then what flexibility do they actually have to do a trade deal? Well, the answer is none, in reality.
Viraj, talk to me a little bit more about your call on pound. You said 135 is fair value. Right now at about a 132. Does that mean that markets are actually sort of underappreciating or underpricing where pound really should be, if that's fair value?
Yeah, I think a lot of it is a one-off reduction in sort of a Brexit uncertainty or risk premium. As Edmund sort of pointed out at the start of the show, you have this sort of underweight of global investors in UK assets looking for to pounce on some clarity to give you cheap valuation. That's pretty much what takes you to 135, 136.